Hi, my name is Laura High, Corporate Trainer here for Coester VMS. Today we're going to be discussing the dashboard section, custom reports, and how to build them. So what we're now looking at is our dashboard section. So once you've logged in, you're just going to select this dashboard tab right here. It's going to bring you to this page. From this page, it's going to have a visual aid of pretty much how you're working within our company and within the system. So you'll have your daily order volume, your month-to-date averages, orders by users. So it's going to give you a breakdown of who's ordering what. Orders by status, so it's going to be a current reading of everything you have in your pipeline. Vendor panel, percentage of revisions by top 5 vendors. Percentage of revisions by us at Coester, by you as the client. Revisions by type, so any additional comps, FHA verbiage, additional language needed, or other. So it's going to give you a complete breakdown of what revisions are being ordered. Revisions by ranking, vendor panel average turnaround time. So it's going to give you your top 5 vendors or appraisers that you use and their turnaround time. And then orders by branch. So if you have multiple orders like this client does here, their main department orders a majority of their appraisals, as you can see. Now, for any custom reports, we have some that have already been made, and then we have some options if you want to build a custom one. So our current reports that we already produced for you is going to be a turn time report, business metric report, quality control, vendor panel report, daily summary report, and daily order volume. Now, if you need to order a custom report, say you want to look at everything waiting for approval, you would select Custom Reports, and it's going to take you to this screen. Now, within this screen, you're going to have a couple of options. It's going to have everything checked right here, which is going to be sort of all the columns that will be showed. Now, you probably don't want all of those to be shown, so you can narrow those down. So we'll do loan number, borrower, current status. Let's do the street address too. Now, if we want to look at specific branches, we can narrow it down by specific branches, but let's look at all branches. Date fields, the less you put in, the larger the report's going to be. So let's not specify a date field. We'll say just all reports from last week that are currently waiting for approval. So if you want to add any additional features, say current status equals to waiting for approval. Say we want to know current status waiting for approval ordered by, and you could put a processor's name in here. If not, just keep the filters as broad as possible so you can run your report. So we're going to select Run Report, and let's see what it gives us. So we have 66 records found that are waiting for approval for this particular client. Now, if you would like to work from this list and maybe print up something, you can select Export to CSV file, which is going to be an Excel file. And you can open it or save it to your desktop. And it's going to want to open your Excel file, and you can print from there and work from that. And that is how